Hi, in today's video, I'm going to demo Millibatt's Nimbus 9 coin cell battery. On the outside, it looks like a typical 9mm coin cell, but inside it contains Millibatt's proprietary 3D electrode structure, which provides 8 times higher power than the standard coin cell. Nimbus 9 is a 3.7-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery and can function as a drop-in replacement for pouch cells or larger coin cells. 1 year ago, we published our first demo video for a prototype Nimbus 9, comparing its performance to a leading 9mm rechargeable coin cell from Panasonic. Over the last year, we've refined our production process and doubled the capacity for Nimbus 9. Now, we're going to perform the same test to show you how the production version of Nimbus 9 performs. The Motion Stone reports position data over Bluetooth 20 times per second and draws an average of 3.65 milliamps. When the battery voltage drops below 2 volts, the tracker stops reporting data. Let's run the test and see the results. Wow, Nimbus 9 powers this Motion Stone for almost 3 hours. Compared to the 11 minutes runtime with Panasonic's 9mm coin cell, it's 16 times longer runtime. Thank you for watching today's video. Please check out our other demos of Motion Stone as game controllers, and if you have a cool idea, contact us for battery inquiries or check us out at our website.